If you're gonna do any kind of detailing on the vehicle, there is one product you absolutely need, and that's going to be called an all-purpose cleaner. What you wanna stay away from is using specific products on the vehicle, whether it's interior and exterior. And what I mean by that is you don't want to purchase a wheel specific cleaner and a tire specific cleaner and a plastic specific cleaner and a bug specific cleaner and a dashboard specific cleaner. I did that when I first started in 2011, and you simply don't need that. The one tool, the one product is an all-purpose cleaner. Now, I don't care what brand you use. There's dozens and dozens of them. But you want to make sure you can dilute the product, because you're going to buy 1 gallon for 15, 20, 25 bucks, whatever you choose. And then that 1 gallon can produce 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 bottles of cleaner, because you're going to be able to dilute it. So in this product right here, this isn't Meguiar's, but this is a super clean, diluted 10 to 1. So we have 3 bottles here diluted. I'll show you. We have 3 bottles here diluted 10 to 1, and we use that for mostly the interior. So we use that to clean, and the car is locked. We use it to clean the door panels, the leather seats, maybe some very light touch-ups like on the headliner or fabric. Anything plastic, leather, and vinyl, we're using the all-purpose cleaner diluted 10 to 1. Now, when it comes to cleaning the wheels, the tires, the engine bay, or something that maybe we need to pre-spray the vehicle because it's very gunked up with dirt, we're gonna use the same product, an all-purpose cleaner, but diluted 4 to 1. So in this pump sprayer right here, actually, we're using that product diluted 4 to 1, so it's more aggressive. I'm not gonna go over dilution ratios right now. I'll make another video for that. But essentially is the lower the ratio, the stronger it is. So you can dilute something 1 to 1, 4 to 1, 10 to 1, 20 to 1, whatever ratio you want, but it's basically the strength of the product. So if you use, I don't have the gallon here, but if you have the all-purpose cleaner and you use it straight, meaning not diluted, that's going to be the strongest form. If you dilute it 1 to 1, then it's going to be, you know, it's still pretty strong. 4 to 1, not as strong. 10 to 1, not as, you know, it just, the higher you go, you go up in the number, the least aggressive it is, so to speak. So that's the one product we use every single day here because we detail cars as a business. We use that every single day, whether we're cleaning the interior, exterior. The all-purpose cleaner is what we go for. Now, one thing you're not gonna see me talk about much is the specific brand that we're using, because if you can go to Lowe's and buy whatever product, or go to Car Supplies Warehouse, or go on Amazon, if you can dilute the product and it has good reviews, 9 out of 10 times, it's going to do the job that you want it to do. So I'm gonna keep things very, very simple on this channel, where I'm not gonna go heavy into the specific brands that we use, because there's so many. Like, we use Super Clean for our all-purpose cleaner, but there's so many brands on the market. Now, I will say, one thing we don't use the all-purpose cleaner for is cleaning fabric surfaces, specifically carpet or seats. And the reason why that is because we have a different system for that. So maybe if it's for some stain removal, we like some very small little stain removals, we will use the all-purpose cleaner on cloth material. But we do have a separate system that's specifically made for fabric cleaning. Now, if that's all you have and you want to use that to scrub a seat, like a cloth seat, sure, dilute it 10 to 1 and use that. But again, for leather and plastics, we use that. But for cloth seats, we have a different system that I'll make another video on. And the next thing that helps is just using the right bottle for the application you're using it for. So, like, you know, for the interior, we just use spray bottles. We find that that's just, it's pretty simple. Now, like for our carpet cleaning solution, we use it in a small pump sprayer like this. But if you want, you could add an all-purpose cleaner in there. There's also different types of pump sprayers where one can foam or maybe it doesn't. Like those two that I have right there don't foam at all. But then we have this pump sprayer from IK, and this one does foam up when you spray it. So there's different bottles or different pump sprayers or bottles that we use based on what we're using the product. In those two bottles, they're still technically all-purpose cleaner, but again, that one is diluted 4 to 1. This one is diluted 10 to 1. This one foams up because we 100% use it on wheels, tires, and engine bays, whereas the spray bottle we use for interiors, and we don't need it to foam up because we just simply don't need that. I'm telling you, you don't need 20 different products to detail a vehicle. We detail dozens of cars per week, and we're always using the same handful of products day in and day out, because once you find something that works, just keep on using that.